you ever thought about where the fat goes when you lose weight? And no, you don't poop it out, because that's definitely what I thought. So, recap. For the most part, when we gain weight, it's our body storing excess fuel as fat, so we can use it as energy later. Well, when you eventually burn that fat for energy, there are two byproducts, water and carbon dioxide. The water is sweated or peed out, but 84% of it is breathed out. Whoa, I know.
Six tips on how to lose weight easily. 1. Fast foods are not your friends. Fast foods are basically a combination of large amounts of sugar, fats, and carbs with little or no minerals and vitamins. 2. Slow eating. Facts have it that fast eaters are 115% more likely than slow eaters to be obese. 3. Be sure to drink enough water. Aside the fact that water can help you suppress your appetite or stimulate metabolism, water may also help in lipolysis, the process by which your body burns fat for energy. 4. Get enough sleep. The resting metabolic rate, RMR, which is the number of calories burnt while asleep or at rest, is affected or reduced by inadequate sleep. 5. Be sure to exercise. Exercise is one of the surest methods of losing weight. Increased physical activity leads to higher amount of calories burnt for energy. 6. Increase protein intake. Protein happens to be a very important nutrient for weight loss and great shape. Increased protein intake boosts metabolic rate, which in turn burns lots of calories, reduces appetite, and changes several weight regulating hormones. For more weight loss related tips, be sure to subscribe, and if you are looking to quickly lose weight, click the first link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.